With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that the aging is characterized by which of the following activities? So the aging is the last stage of the life, while we see that the first stage of the life is the juvenile phase when there is growth. The second stage is the reproductive stage, which is associated with the reproductive activity, followed by the last stage, that is the senescence or the aging, right? And in this senescence, there will be decrease in the metabolic activity. So decreased metabolism due to decrease in the amount of hormones. So option number 1 here becomes the right answer for this question, whereas the other option says that there is increase in anabolism, increase in catabolism, or increase in catabolism. These all options are wrong because the metabolic activity on the whole is going to decrease as the person ages. Now, why does this metabolic activity decrease? Because there is decrease in the number of hormones, right? So a transition from juvenile to reproductive is due to hormones, whereas the reproductive to senescence is also because of the hormones. While in the first case, the hormones will increase. In the second case, the hormones are going to decrease in number, thereby decreasing the metabolic activity. So this is all about this query. Option number 1 is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.